Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will be learning about microorganisms, friend and foe, which is the second topic of class 8 science. Children, you have seen so many different kinds of living organisms all around us. But there are other living organisms around us which we normally cannot see. For example, we cannot see the organisms which are responsible for rising of dough. We cannot see the organisms that causes flu in the human beings. We also cannot see the organisms which are present on the black patches of bread. If you observe these black patches under microscope, you will be able to see these small organisms. These small organisms which cannot be seen through our naked eyes are called as microorganisms. You like to play in water near the fields. But if you observe this under a microscope, then you can see these microorganisms in the water. Do you know, even the mud has got microorganisms in it, which can be seen only with microscope. Microorganisms are classified into 4 major groups. They are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, viruses are also microorganisms, but they are different from other microorganisms. They reproduce only inside the cells of the host organisms, such as bacteria, plant and animals. Some of the common diseases that are caused due to viruses are cold, cough, flu, etc. Some of the serious diseases that are caused due to viruses are polio, chickenpox, etc. Different viruses causes different diseases in different organisms. Where do microorganisms live? They are found in ice-cold climates, hot temperatures, deserts, and even in wetlands. Microorganisms are also found inside the bodies of animals, including human beings. Some microorganisms grow on other organisms while others exist freely. Now let us know about friendly microorganisms. Some microorganisms are useful to us, whereas some are harmful and they cause diseases. Friendly microorganisms, these are used in the preparation of bread, cakes, curd, etc. Curd contains several microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. The bacteria which converts milk into curd is Lactobacillus. Bacteria are also involved in making of cheese, pickles, idli, dosas, etc. Now let us know about commercial uses of microorganisms. Fermentation, the chemical breakdown of a substance by bacteria, yeast or other microorganisms is called as fermentation. example, microorganisms are used in the fermentation of idli and dosa batter. Microorganisms are also used for fermentation of vinegar, wine, etc. Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation in the year 1857. Now let us take a quick look at the summary points. Living organisms around us which we normally cannot see with our naked eyes are called as microorganisms. Microorganisms are mainly classified into 4 types. They are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and algae. Viruses are also microorganisms, but they are different from other microorganisms. Viruses reproduce only inside the cells of the host organisms, such as bacterium, plant or animal. Some microorganisms grow on other microorganisms, while others exist freely. The chemical breakdown of a substance by bacteria, yeast or other microorganisms is called as fermentation. Thank you. Keep watching. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of the upcoming videos.